Hey, what's up guys? Manny here from BidGoDrive, and today we're going to do a video on a 2018 Honda Ridgeline Sport that sustained repairable collision damage to the rear. It's got a little over 50k on the odometer. It's all-wheel drive, 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, and it's being sold with a New Jersey salvage title. Overall, this truck is pretty clean. As you can see in the front, there's no damage to the front. The truck is clean. Let's show the other side. This side is clean as well. No damage. Let's keep going. Front shot, clean. And here's the damage. You're going to need to repair the bumper, the tail light, the tailgate, and this side of the bed. I mean, you might be able to repair this. Some people will probably prefer to replace it. I mean, that's your opinion. It's up to you. But it looks like it could be repairable. And there's no visible signs of frame damage to the vehicle. As you can see, everything lines up properly. Doors open and close. See the other side. Other side looks good. Nice clean lines. Let's keep going. Interior is pretty nice. All the airbags are intact. No airbag deployed. Back seats look nice. Speedometer. Engine bay. You can see the engine bay looks clean as well. I mean, overall, this is a pretty nice truck. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give our sales department a call at 201-378-3121. That's 201-378-3121. And they're there to answer all your questions. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.